This one is really good.
カニクラ丼とマクロ丼。はい。
That's a huge one.
Yum!
Yeah.
Yum! After retrieving. I like it.
The things that I don't really like in Japan, they use a lot of plastic bags. But it's fine, we can reuse it. He got the sweet potato. Sweet potato in Japan is crazy delicious. Look at that. It's like super creamy and very soft. Konnichiwa. We saw the soup from yesterday. We don't like to waste food. Okay. Here's food.
Another set. So I'm like, is this the last set?
Guardian Leviosa. Wow. Oh, arigato.